welcome back.
Thanks for having me back.
Festival was cancelled last year, so are you back to take your revenge on bad weather?
On the storm, yeah. Back to take my revenge on the storm. Yeah, I was really disappointed. I was looking forward to it last year. Actually, when I got here, little before, there was a lot of people coming in, and the energy, I was already feeling the energy even before I got to the stage, even before I got to the venue, and then when I heard that, we had to leave because of the storm, it was very disappointing. So when I heard I was coming back, I was actually very excited that, I'll get to return.
C'était très décevant parce que il avait eu le temps de voir les gens arriver et de sentir l'énergie qu'il y avait dans le lieu. Et quand il a appris que c'était annulé, c'était vraiment très décevant. Et du coup, quand il a su qu'il était réinvité, c'était vraiment une grande source de joie pour lui.
Do you have any memory of French audience?
Do I have any memory of French audience?
A particular memory.
Particular?
Yeah.
Oh wow, I have so many great memories of French audience. I've been touring France quite often for the past 3 years. This is, for me, for this year, this is actually the second tour that we're having in France for the year. And, I was also here twice last year as well. So, France has been great to me. I really look forward to coming here. I was telling someone yesterday that, here in France and in Europe is, I think, where you find the last of the true music lovers and not people who just follow the trend that, that is set by others. So, whenever I get the opportunity to come to France, and, it's something that I'm very excited about always. Yeah.
Il y a beaucoup de souvenirs de la France dans le sens où c'est la deuxième tournée qu'il fait en France. Et c'est l'endroit où les gens aiment vraiment la musique et pas seulement des gens qui suivent les tendances mais qui ont un véritable amour de la musique. Et c'est pour ça que c'est vraiment excitant de revenir jouer de la musique en France.
Hi.
Yes, hello.
So do you prepare the same concert that last year, or
do I prepare the same? Not really the same. No. There's we added certain things from last year to this year, so it's not the same. It's the same energy, but a few different songs.
Ce sera pas la même chose que l'année dernière, mais l'énergie restera la même s'il y aura des différences forcément entre ce qui était prévu l'année dernière et ce qui est prévu cette année.
There are many singers in my family.
Mm-hmm.
How are you different through your brother?
Oh, me? Oh, I'm different in a lot of ways. I think I'm very different from my brothers. For me, my upbringing is a lot different from my brothers. I was raised in the inner cities of Miami, and therefore my early years and what I witnessed as a child, and what I've seen growing up as an adult is totally different from my brother's life. For those who know Kimani, they know that Kimani is an artist that it's about music. It's not about reggae music. It's not about rap music. It's not about rock and roll. It's about music. So for me, whatever it is that I find comfortable singing or doing, then that's what I do. So, tonight I will rap, I will sing, I will dance, I think. It looks like dancing. Well, I think it is. But I think as an individual, as an artist, if you know me and you know my brothers, you know that I'm definitely a lot different.
Ce qui le différencierait essentiellement de ses frères, c'est là où il a grandi. Il a grandi dans une ville à Miami. Et du coup, ce dont il a été témoin en tant qu'enfant et plus tard dans sa vie d'adulte a induit des différences très fortes avec ses frères qui n'ont pas du tout grandi au même endroit. Du coup, ce qui importe vraiment, c'est l'amour de la musique et pas la spécificité de la musique reggae ou du rap ou du rock'n'roll, mais l'amour de la musique en tant que tel.
Too much to translate, huh?
Eh,
Do you have an album project for next year? Or later?
Yes, the album is currently being mixed. We're hoping for an October release, so hopefully within the next 2 months you'll get the album. If for some reason that don't happen, then it will definitely be in January. But the album is completed, the album has a home, and then we're just waiting for the release. Yeah.
on attend la sortie qui est prévue pour octobre et au plus tard janvier. Mais l'album est prêt et dans tous les cas, il sortira bientôt.
Revolutionary freedom fighters, listen. We need to make a stop, make us some clearance. Out of my judgment from Rasta appearance. Them I said them have no vacancy, and I said them have the thoughts of me for wait and see. So lost the sons, we are the brave ones. I'm a time to mingle with pagans. Try to ride road even if I'm poverty. Try hold on in this world of pain. Well, even though my work so hard, still no get no pay. Thunder, rain, storm, and mama board those blow away. But I went to the dead, but yet the youths I try maintain. Go the life I try to find a way to cure the pain. How so much people suffering, nobody to take the pain. The mood and love to leave me on the ground for burn up in a flame. Now I get that chance when I stand like a kid. You're mad, you're crazy, you're insane. We need to make that stop. All them a judgment from Rasta appearance. Them a say them have no vacancy, and I said them have a cause of people wait and see. Still as the sons, we are the brave ones. Have no time to mingle with pagans. Try to ride road and live my poverty. Try to ride road. I want the students to the locks pound we head. Think we're not intelligent, but we here, show them what is evident. The better know we are no weak friends. And then the time we touch the road, that is with defense. So we real and no pretend. And then the righteous but not the pretend. Now call on Jaja who he will live from negative people. We need to make a step, make a step. All them a judgment from a Rasta appearance. Hey, them a say them are no vacancy, and I said them a call. Still as the sons, we are the brave ones. I'm a time to mingle with pagans. Try to ride road. Try to ride road. Yeah.
You don't have to judge me, 'cause we're all like my children.
Yeah.
If your brother's hungry, you don't need it all. Take some, give it.
We need to make a step. The beautiful Lisa Viola, yeah?